What's going on, guys? I'm Michael Anthony, and thank you for checking out my article in this month's Shutter magazine. Guys, this month we're talking all about the 5 simple truths for achieving greatness in your photography business. Now, for those of you guys who are not familiar with me or have never heard me speak or heard anything about our business, I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit about our journey, right? We started in 2012 as just shooting basic family portraits here in Los Angeles. Flash forward now 2018, our studio shoots about 150 weddings per year. We have a team of 6 lead photographers, and we've been able to travel all over the world and photograph in incredible places and meet awesome photographers and teach them just like you. Now, in the beginning, guys, I would have never thought that that was possible, but I've developed a few mindsets in our business that I think are going to be crucial for us moving forward, and hopefully they can help you guys as well too. Now, if you guys have not read my article yet, please go to Shutter Magazine's website, download, sign up for the elite membership, and get the printed magazine. It's incredible quality. I know you guys will love it. Real quick. First thing I want to talk to you guys about are your goals, okay? Very, very easy in photography to become complacent in your business and not be able to see success once you guys hit that initial goal of whatever it may be. So let's look at your business for a second. What is the why in your business? Why do you guys do what you do? Is it to provide a better life for your family? Is it to give yourself some more time off, right? Is it to travel more? Whatever that may be, that's great. But just make sure that once you guys achieve that goal, because if you're working hard, you will, all right? Once you achieve that goal, you have to reevaluate your goal moving forward and find new ways to continuously improve, right? So one of the things that I recommend is in December of every single year, I want you to lay out a roadmap of what's gonna happen in the following year in your business. What are your goals? And make sure that you set those goals appropriately, guys. They say that if you reach for the stars, you guys land at the moon. You guys have all heard that saying before. I promise you it is true. So make sure that the goals that you guys set are ambitious. And if you guys hit your goal, set a new goal mid-year, right? You always wanna make sure that you guys are trying to achieve something, because once you guys hit that goal, once you guys believe that you guys achieve success, then you guys will continuously, you guys will cease to improve at that point, right? So make sure that you guys are continuously setting new goals. When you guys hit them, go ahead and reevaluate and make sure that you guys are always continuously improving, right? The second thing that I want to talk to you guys about is that you have to develop a consistent marketing strategy in your business, okay? And this is important because us as photographers, us as creatives, the one thing that we tend to do in our business to market is utilize social media, right? So whether that be Facebook or Instagram, I promise for most of you guys watching this, watching this video or reading my article, I promise that that's probably what you guys are doing as a consistent marketing strategy. And not to say that it's wrong, those things are important to do, right? But I don't want you to build an entire business based off social media advertising and then have Instagram pull the plug on organic reach, which they're already starting to do, by the way, like Facebook did a couple of years back. And then all of a sudden now you don't know where your new clients are gonna come from, okay? So it's important to diversify your marketing, and the best and the most effective thing that I can recommend for you guys is to work on relationships. Relationship marketing is the #1 thing that you guys will be able to do to continuously improve and see success. If you guys need some information on how to develop relationships, we wrote an article back in, earlier this year. I don't know the exact month, but just go ahead and Google our name and search for relationship marketing, and you'll probably be able to find it in Shutter Magazine. So really important, guys, to continuously develop those relationships, okay? Next thing I want to talk to you guys about is to never stop learning. If you guys are reading this magazine, watching this article, you guys are doing a good job right now continuously improving in business, right? But one of the things that we forget to do a lot of times is just that, work in business, right? We forget to learn new business techniques, and we're so focused a lot on the creativity side of our business, which again is important. You do have to grow every year, but don't forget to learn new business techniques, right? What are you guys doing for your social media? Are you using Pinterest right now? Because you should be, right? These are little things right here that we have to learn to continuously improve in our business to make sure that we are continuously growing. Now, one of the things that you guys might see all the time when you go online, you post a picture and some guy, starts giving you constructive criticism on it, right? You guys might look at their portfolio and you might realize that they're not somebody that you really want to learn from anyway, right? But it turns out that a lot of times egos for photographers get in their own way of success. And I've made it a point in my business to make sure that we eradicate that, whether it's through the people we hire or even myself. We always have to keep ourselves in check. Thankfully, I have my good wife, Jennifer, that always does that for me, right? So no problem there. The next thing that I want to talk to you guys about, pull up my notes here real quick. Next thing I want to talk to you guys about is to make sure that you guys are always working longer and harder than all of your competitors, okay? And I know that that's romantic to say, right? But in practice, does it really happen? Okay, as a business owner, you guys probably have to be putting in hours that are well significantly past what you guys were working when you guys were working your 9 to 5, right? So they say that you work, 80 hours a week so you don't have to work 40 for somebody else. And as an entrepreneur, that's absolutely true. At least in my case, it is, right? But then again, guys, we are photographers. This is most likely a hobby for you guys when it started. So if you're doing what you love, are you really working all the time, right? I know that when it comes to business and spreadsheets and all of that, it's not as fun as, say, shooting, but it is part of the daily tasks that we have to do to grow our business, guys. So make sure that you guys are putting in the work, and make sure that you guys are learning new things, new techniques, so that you're able to so you're able to work more efficiently in the future when you guys are developing new shooting and new business techniques and tactics, right? And the last thing that I want to talk to you guys about, and grab my notes here real quick, is that your success will depend on the people that you guys surround yourself with. So important, okay? As a business owner, in the beginning, it's just you, okay? But as your business grows, you guys are going to need help. You're not going to be able to do everything yourselves, right? You're going to need to outsource to an editing company, an accountant, and then eventually, and more importantly for what I'm talking about here, is you guys are going to have to hire people, right? So make sure that the people that you're hiring, whether it's just a second shooter or it's a studio manager or a salesperson or whatever it may be, make sure that those people that you're surrounding yourself with in your business are helping you grow, right? They say that you're the sum of your 5 closest friends. Well, it is true, guys. If you surround yourself with people who are not helping you grow as an artist, as a business person, as an entrepreneur, as a person in general, you're going to notice that you're going to start to take on those characteristics that those people have themselves too, right? So surround yourself with a good team, great creatives, and I promise you guys, you will grow in the future in terms of your business. It happened for us, and I promise that it will happen for you guys. That's all that I have for you guys right now in this video. Thank you guys for checking out my article. Can't wait to catch you next month in Shutter Magazine.